Personal ALM Token setup for Jira. As a user, you should configure your credentials for Jira to ensure that changes reflect under your name in Jira. You may notice a pop-up on your program board directing you to connect your ALM tool. If you are using Jira Cloud, you have to use your API token. If you are using Jira Server, you must use your password. In this example, we are using Jira Cloud and will now go to Jira to generate the token needed to log in. In Kendis, click on your profile on the left navigation bar. Now select ALM Credentials. You will see a button to Create Token. Click that to be taken to your Jira account. Generate Token. To generate the Jira API token to log in, click on your profile in the top right and choose Account Settings. Then choose Security from the top menu. Now select Create and Manage API Tokens. Now that we are on the API Token menu, we will select Create API Token and choose the label for the token and press Create. Now press Copy and return to Kendis. Connect Personal ALM. To add your Jira credentials in Kendis, click on your profile on the left navigation bar. Now select ALM Credentials. Click Edit, then add your username and paste the API token. Click Test Connection. Once your connection is validated, press Save. For Jira Server users, follow the same steps, but enter your password instead of the API token. You have now successfully set up your personal ALM connection in Kendis. For more information, visit help.kendis.io.